Hi, it's Tasia. Today we are going to replace the mannequin by the MetaHuman. Open Quixel and select a default MetaHuman or one of your customized by yourself. And we made customized MetaHuman and they are free to download and to use. Get them on our website. For the video, I already have imported my MetaHuman. Go to the MetaHuman blueprint and open it. As you can see it, I have imported Cynthia. Okay, now go to the RETARGET mannequin and open it. Check if target IK rig asset is on IK MetaHuman. And now let's duplicate animation blueprint. Choose RTG mannequin. Create a new folder to put your new files. The files have been duplicated. Rename APB Manny by something else. For the video, we will rename it in Cynthia. Go to the third-person blueprint. As you can see, we have replaced the mannequin by our MetaHuman, but there is a problem. As you can see, our meshes are not fixed together. Go to the construction script and search Set Leader Mesh. And attach feet, leg, torso to the target link and mesh to the new leader bone component. Replace anim class by our new anim class that we have created before. Go to the skeletal mesh and open it. As you can see, we already added virtual bones to our MetaHuman. Click on Root and add virtual bone root. Click on virtual bone root and add foot left and right. And now open animation blueprint of Cynthia again and go to the anim graph. Open Control Rig class and refresh the new skeletal mesh. Our MetaHuman skeletal mesh, of course. And now replace all foot left and right by virtual bone foot left and right. We have finished to set up our MetaHuman, and now let's see if it works. Everything works perfectly, and this concludes the tutorial. If you want, you can download the project file of this tutorial for free via our link in description of this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to don't miss our next videos. And on our website, we have free characters to download and to use to your projects. Good luck, bye!